Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Stuff by JP. So in today's video, we will see how to draw isometric drawing in AutoCAD. So for reference, we are having one image over here. So we are going to draw this isometric drawing in AutoCAD. So the first setting we have to do is drafting settings. So the shortcut for drafting settings is DS, enter. So simply type DS in the command box, DS, and press enter. We will get one window. In this window, go in snap and grid settings, and in this select the isometric snap from this. So I have selected the isometric snap and click on OK button. Now you can see that the cursor has changed. We are having different views. We are having top view, left hand view, and right hand view. So to change the view, we can simply press the shortcut F5. By pressing F5, the view will change. Now currently the view is left hand side view. So if I press F5, the view has changed to top view. Similarly, if I press F5 again, I will get the right hand side view. So you can change the views by pressing the shortcut key, that is F5. So now let's start the isometric drawing. So we will start from this point. So first I will draw a line of 2 units in this direction. So I will type L, enter, select the point and give the direction and give the dimension as 2, enter. Now I will give a dimension of 1.5 in the upward direction, 1.5, enter. So now I have to draw this L section. So for that, you can see that this whole line is of 2 units, and from this is 1 unit. So we can say that this short line is of 1 unit. So I will press again L, enter, and select this point and draw a line of 1 unit from here. Now I will again draw a line of 1 unit in the downward direction. As you can see in this drawing, this distance is 1 unit as shown over here. So I have drawn the line of 1 unit. I will draw a line of again 1 meter in this direction and end up at this point. So now I have completed the L section, which is the left hand view. Now let's come back to the top view. Let's now draw this section. So for that I have to change the view. So I will simply press F5. Now you can see that I am in the top view. So I will draw this line first, which is of 2 units. So I will simply press L, enter, select the first point and give the direction and 2 units. Now again I will draw a line of 2 units over here. And a line of 0.5 over here, a line of 1 over here, and it will automatically end up over here. So now I have this top portion. Now let's draw this section, which is in the right hand view. So I will again press F5. Now I will draw a line from this point having 2 dimension unit and end up over here. Escape. Similarly, I will draw a line over here also so that I can get this line. So simply press L, enter, select this first point, drag and give a dimension of 2 units. Sorry, give a dimension of 1.5 units this time and end up over here. Now I have to draw this part. So this is 1 meter deep. So I will draw a line of 1 meter in this direction and you can simply join these points. You will get these two lines. So press L, enter, draw a line from this point to this point and this point. So now you have this isometric projection. So the next portion is circle. So we have to draw a circle. So for that, so I will just drag here and I will get the midpoint. So from the midpoint, select this midpoint and drag it upwards and draw a line of 0.5 units. So I can say that this will be the center of my circle. So for circle, again change the face. I will press Fs. I will press F5. It will be in the left hand view. Now for circle, we will type ellipse, enter, I enter. To draw this circle, you have to type ellipse, enter, I enter. So I will type ELLIPSE, ellipse, enter, and I enter. Now select the center point, and as we can see, the dimension given is 0.5 units diameter. So the radius will be 0.25. So I will type the radius 0.25, enter. So I have the circle now. I will simply delete this line. So now I have done the complete drawing. So now you can see that the drawing is complete. So in this way, you can draw any isometric drawing in AutoCAD. Always remember, for drawing a circle, you have to type ellipse, enter, I enter. If you simply select circle from this option, the circle will not be proper. It will be in two-dimensional view, regular view. If we select circle from here and select this point, see, you can see that the circle is not in the left hand view. So always remember, while drawing circle in isometric drawing, type ellipse, enter, I enter, and select the center point. So this is how you can draw any isometric drawing in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching.